Hello, seniors. Are you ready to transform your daily routine with just 7 simple balance workouts? Yes, just 7 that will supercharge your balance and revitalize your body every single day. Whether you're looking to enhance stability, boost mobility, or just feel stronger and more confident on your feet, these moves are your golden ticket. Why wait to feel your best? Join us as we unveil the 7 best balance workouts for seniors that are game changers. First workout, half squat. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, extend your arms out in front for balance, or hold onto a chair. Bend your knees and lower your body into a squat, but only go halfway down compared to a full squat. Keep your back straight and chest lifted. Push through your heels to return to the standing position. This exercise strengthens your lower body muscles, enhances joint health, improves bone density, Second workout, wall lean toe raise. Lean slightly forward into the wall, keeping your back straight and your heels on the ground. Slowly raise your toes off the floor. Hold this raised position for a few seconds to maximize calf muscle engagement. Slowly lower your toes back to the floor. Initially, do this for 2 to 3 times and slowly increase the count as you progress. This strengthens lower legs, improves balance, increases ankle mobility, supports circulation. Third workout, heel-to-toe walk. Start by standing straight with your feet slightly apart. Place your right foot directly in front of your left foot, making sure the heel of your right foot touches the top of the toes of your left foot. Initially, put your weight on the heel. Then, shift your weight forward onto your toes. Now move your left foot in front of your right foot. Walk 20 steps in a straight line. This improves balance and coordination, essential for navigating uneven surfaces and tight spaces. Fourth workout, side leg raises. Stand behind a chair and hold onto it for support. Lift one leg out to the side, keeping it straight. Hold the position for a few seconds, then lower your leg back down. Repeat 10-15 times for each leg. This strengthens the hip abductors and glutes. This move enhances balance and stability in the hips. Fifth workout, back leg raises. Stand behind a sturdy chair and hold on to it for support. Lift one leg straight back without bending your knee or pointing your toes. Hold the position for a few seconds, then lower your leg back down. Repeat 10-15 times for each leg. This exercise strengthens the glutes and hamstrings and enhances balance and stability in the legs. Sixth workout, standing march. Stand straight and start marching in place slowly. Lift your knees as high as possible. Use a chair for support if needed. Continue for 60 seconds and increase the timings as you get more comfortable. This improves lower body strength and balance. Seventh workout, chair squats. Stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly bend your knees and lower your body towards the chair, then sit down gently. Stand back up, using your legs, not your hands, to bring yourself to a standing position. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This builds strength in your thighs, hips, and glutes, which is essential for good balance. Remember, the key to improve balance is consistency. Start integrating these balance workouts into your daily routine and experience the benefits for yourself. This isn't just exercise, it's a new way to live. Don't forget to share this video with someone you care about, and subscribe for more valuable tips to lead a healthier, happier life. Together, we can prevent falls and stay active. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.